Hey everyone, the UleFone RugKing Pad Pro is not a tablet that aims to dazzle with style or multimedia flair. It presents itself as a serious working tool designed for tough conditions from the outset. For technicians, engineers, field workers, and service teams who value dependability over amusement, this small, durable gadget was created. The 8.68-inch format cleverly balances usability and portability. It is small enough to fit comfortably in one hand while still being large enough for purposes like communication, documentation, and navigation. The ribbed, textured back panel greatly improves grip. The tablet stays steady and safe even when the hands are wet or gloves are on. The built-in 133 lux high-brightness flashlight is one of its most notable physical attributes. Crucially, it can be instantaneously triggered by pressing a specific physical button, which is very useful in field settings. The power button and volume keys are on one side, and a programmable button that can be customized is on the other. The RugKing Pad Pro has pogo pin connectors for docking stations and professional mounting, in contrast to traditional consumer tablets. Additionally, it has a smart connector enabling stable accessory integration, like microscopes or endoscopes. Instead of being a solo tablet, these improvements turn the device into a modular work platform. Complete dust protection, 30-minute submersion in water up to 2 meters, and resistance to high-pressure hot water jets are all guaranteed by its compliance with IP68 and IP69K requirements. Furthermore, resistance to shocks, drops, vibrations, and severe temperatures is confirmed by MIL STD 810H certification. The display has a resolution of 1340 by 800 pixels and is 8.68 inches in size. This resolution is a purposeful compromise meant to provide stability and power efficiency, even though it is low by today's flagship standards. It is perfectly adequate for field functions like communication, equipment diagnostics, reporting, and navigation. Scrolling and interface navigation feels smoother thanks to the 90 Hz refresh rate. The Unisoc T7250 CPU powers performance. The tablet's 8 gigs of LPDDR4X RAM offers sufficient headroom for several open apps without requiring frequent reloads. With 128 gigs of UFS 2.2 memory, storage can handle documents, images, and video files created at work with reasonable speed. Another advantage is connectivity. Either SIM card can be chosen for data or calls thanks to the RugKing Pad Pro's support for dual physical SIM cards with 4G LTE connectivity. A 16-megapixel sensor is part of the primary camera. For video conversations and remote consultations, which are typical in service and industrial settings, the 8-megapixel front camera is sufficient. Even with mobile data, navigation, camera use, and high brightness levels, the 7,100 mAh battery capacity guarantees a full day of active field use. The maximum rating for standby endurance is 13 days. USB Type-C is used for charging, and an 18-watt adapter is included. In conclusion, the UleFone RugKing Pad Pro is not designed to rival gaming or entertainment-oriented tablets. Although its processor and screen resolution aren't flagship level, that isn't its goal. Stability, longevity, modular expandability, and dependable communication under challenging circumstances are the design principles of this device. Where tough dependability, excellent outside visibility, robust connectivity, and accessory integration are most important, it shines. The RugKing Pad Pro effectively serves professionals who need a small yet durable digital tool instead of a multimedia companion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.